It's their third match of the tournament. They've won one and lost one. They lost against Nkolo in a central defensive role because the injury to Gueye. Match referee gets us underway. The Senegalese side's looking a little bit disorganized. A draw, and that was in their match against Zimbabwe on day 2. First shot in anger comes from this break here for Zimbabwe, and Cheikhou Kouyaté is always going to be a player to make his name felt, and a good pass into the middle brings a penalty as Marimba goes down, and the referee with no hesitation looks as if he's going to take the penalty. Keeper goes the wrong way, Zimbabwe in front.
They needed it. They needed to start on the front foot. Zimbabwe, we did mention earlier on.
Positive goal difference as well. Little flick across, and that's quite inventive from Alassane Kanti. Able to find it back in the net, but I do like the ideas from the teenagers. Oh, and a mistake in defence. Asuwabu Nigu is giving Nyama and Amini a bit of a hard time. Does the ball clear off the line? Doesn't matter, it's offside anyway. Just mighty close. This match as well from Senegal. They're not hanging about, and there's a bit of space for Abdoulaye. Captain and left-sided fullback, space available for the header. Marvin Nkolo misses the target. Well, they're living dangerously at the moment, Zimbabwe, and I was on it. Space out wide, the keeper's on a struggle, and they can't tap it in on the near post. It's a good save for the guests. Oh, the ball's been spilled, and at the second time of asking, it's Edouard who taps it over the line for the equaliser. Goalkeeping mistake from Papiss, who spills the ball for the second time in the half. He got away with it the first time. A corner for the second.
Mendy, for me, poorly taken set piece.
Another goal, and they're trying to get that now. Nice turn from Kante. In the second half, because this one is the 1-1 at half-time. Looking quite interesting. We'll go through that for you in a moment. Go, and an opportunity in the middle of the park for Brian Bunda. Kane over the top. Diallo. Good defending from Nkolo. Nkolo back on the field of play. It's a good opportunity on the cutting side, but unfortunately wide of the target. To be the side that applies the pressure. Well, he got into position there, Abdoulaye. Does always seem to be going down everything in the side netting. I didn't understand what he was trying to do on the near post, though. And I do understand that shot as well from Osaka. He does have a venomous boot behind Sarupinda at the moment. It's a fantastic save from Martin. Might be tested. Out is the call, out is the save from Martin, who makes 2 brilliant saves in the second half. Diagne on another good save, although a bit haphazardly against Malawi. How much strength are they still going to have to carry the game into Malawi? They might not need a goal against Malawi because that's Mohamed Ba who'll score his first goal of the tournament. And Senegal have scored 2 in a row to come from behind.